Good morning, everyone, and thank you very much for joining me. In today's segment, I want to talk to you about the coronavirus and the scare that is going around and what precautions manufacturers can take. Well, if you are a fully digitally transformed organization, then I don't need to tell you much. You probably already know a lot of stuff that I will be talking about. A fully digitally transformed organization has capabilities that will allow the workers to work remotely and not come into the workplace. They can even operate the machines, they can control the machines, check the quality of the products produced, and do a lot of stuff away from the shop floor, so they don't have to be present in the organization. But if you are not a fully digitally transformed organization, there is still a lot of stuff that your workers can do remotely. Your engineering staff, your HR staff, administrative staff, and similar other workers that do not have to be on the shop floor can stay away from work and do a lot of stuff remotely and inhibit the spread of anything that they may have that is contagious and not bring that to the workplace. Secondly, there are some workers in such organizations that do have to come in to work on the shop floor to produce the product that you are going to ship to your customers. For those workers, you can take some precautionary measures on the shop floor. One of the obvious things is that you install a large number of hand sanitizers and encourage your employees to use them frequently. Secondly, you can instruct your cleaners to use antimicrobial cleaning agents to clean the floors and clean the areas that workers are going to use while they produce the products. And finally, you can limit all unnecessary travel that is business related, so that your workers don't bring anything from abroad. Thank you very much for being with me in this segment. Please like this video, share it with your friends, follow us on social media, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again. See you soon.